Understanding Club Night, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, club night. This term is often heard in conversations about social events and entertainment. If you're curious about what it means and how to use it in a sentence, you're in the right place. Club night refers to an evening dedicated to socializing and enjoyment at a nightclub. These nights can be special events with themes, DJs, or live music, drawing people together for a night of dance and fun. The term has its roots in the club culture, which blossomed in the 1970s with the rise of disco. Today, it's a universal concept, recognized worldwide as a night where clubs offer a unique party experience. When you want to use this phrase, you can say something like, "Are you going to the club night on Friday?" Or, "The club night last weekend was amazing." It's a versatile phrase that fits well into casual conversation. Club nights are more than just parties. They can be significant cultural events. They often serve as showcases for new music trends and are a vibrant part of youth culture. We hope this video clarifies what a club night is all about. Next time you hear about one, you'll know exactly what to expect. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next club night, or in our next video.